Okay. Hey, Scooby. Scooby wants attention. Okay, we're measuring our hub to see if they're the same. So he's got a secret way of getting that in there. So what was our number again?
4.09. Ouch! God damn it! That thing's so hot.
Don't touch that hot wheel down there.
I'm trying to get the damn caliper in.
Don't touch it.
Here.
Yeah, that heat's going to cause a measurement. Want me to hold that for you?
Yep.
Okay.
845. 40845.
What number is
just
it?
because the chrome's gone. 40865.
What number do we want?
40910. I think that's because the chrome on here is
30 thou different.
30?
I don't know. Measure it. Stick it in there.
The guys touch them both sides, do you?
Maybe. Put some pressure on it. Hit that yellow button and zero it.
Zero it? Way out there?
Yeah. You didn't zero it. You can push the button. You have to hold it. You're not even on the right spot.
I'm not doing anything at the moment. I'm trying to zero it out. It's not going to... Oh, yeah, there it goes.
You have to zero it when you're in the right spot. Put it on the flange.
Now what?
Zero it. Here.
I thought it was on zero. And now you can put on this one and measure it again, huh? I just don't want to get burned, Keen.
Don't touch it. Okay, we're zeroed. How'd you get that thing in there?
You kind of put it forward like this a little bit, and there you go. There you go. Now back down. Yep. That's fancy spoke work.
Fancy ass. Okay.
What's your number? Oh, no. Looking for zero again, right?
It's zero. That's my fancy number.
Right.
Zero.
No, too tall there.
Well, if I use the other calipers, it would have been fine.
There you go.
I'm not as stupid as I was.
And we have 30 thousandths. 21.
21. And it is wider. 20 for
The new one's wider, right?
20 thou wider. I think I can live with a.
I think for corrosion wise, it's probably the only difference on it.
I think I can live with that. See, there's the number when you close it too.
There you go. It is? Oh, yeah.
Maybe zeros. It's an absolute zero, so it doesn't matter where you put it, it'll be zeros.
One of these days I'm going to get me one of the electronic ones.
Okay, so we know the wheel's the same, because this is an 84 to 99 wheel, that's why I bought it. I figured that's what they use.
19 by what, 3? 215?
They're about 2.5 probably.
Yeah. Oh, right there.
Where do you
19
measure
by
a wheel?
250.
Where do you measure from?
Inside.
Oh, you're smart.
Just like it says.
2.5. These dumbasses measure out here. Oh, that's a 3.5 inch rim.
Yep. Drop center steel rim. Where'd you get that from anyway?
I ordered up
Cycle
special.
Shack.
It says that's 14,000 plate. It was inspected by 08.
And it comes with spacers and bearings already in the seals, huh?
Yeah, good to go.
Wow.
If you like 18,000 plate. I always run the stuff before I check them again anyway. This is pretty fancy stuff here. Yeah, I figured it out.
Tough string.
Okay, I did that? You didn't think I figured that out, did you? Okay, is there any spacers in that fancy hub?
I didn't see any.
Okay.
Just that one built-in one, the big adapter.
So, we don't need any of these. They're stuck in there with grease. You got a screwdriver right there. Okay, pull these out.
Wow. Good grease.
These have lips in them.
Some good seals, man.
They have lips in them.
Oh, they do, don't they? Wow.
Let's see what it did to the spring.
I noticed all the ones three of them I took apart, but all the springs were junk in them.
It's because somebody put a wrench under them.
Screwdriver.
Yep.
You may need one on the other side, don't it? No, it has that big old fat thing on.
Yeah, Scooby.
There's the spring.
Where's the spring at?
Right there.
Good, so I'll go over here. So they don't damage the spring. Look at that dirty rag I had. Right there. Okay, so you take that off.
Spring's still around.
Spring is still good.
Chinese grease.
Put the darn thing back together. It appears to have grease in it.
Timken, that's good.
Is that good grease or crappy grease?
It's kind of, whether you like brown or blue.
Where's the grease you had?
Right down on the bench still.
Way down there. We might as well just transfer locations. Grab the
Screwdriver.
tool. I need a plastic hammer over there also.
Plastic one. Where is it, Keenan, the plastic one?
You lay on the presser on the back of the plate.
Oh, here it is.
I repacked it like I did that.
Yeah, it's nice. Get some on the
Step on
the bearings and on the race.
I stepped on Scooby paws there, so we're good.
I hit him in the head with my knee a little while ago.
He likes that. Well, that is a heavy-duty seal. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
No specialty tools needed.
You put the spring back on it?
You did. Yes, I did. You didn't bring the dirty rag with you, did you?
I didn't hear you say that.
Well, I can't remember everything.
You got this one?
Yeah, that's a dirty one. You want a dirty deal?
Yeah.
That's called experience. Nobody need that. We're working our way toward that. I'm gonna wait until I put the heavy parts on. You
You're not going to polish that for him?
Sure.
Nice.
Perfect.
Bolt?
Okay, flip it over. More spacer. Uh-oh, someone damaged the seal again.
You pull that spring out first?
I pull the spacer out first.
Yeah. Oh, that's why I had this lipped spacers.
We just went through this, didn't you? Weren't you paying attention?
Yeah.
Now, what happens if you don't do this?
You don't put the spring back?
Yes.
Oh, it's going to leak oil like a sieve.
Not really.
Seal won't stay in place?
It'll still work.
I mean, the spacer won't stay in place?
It'll still work, but the problem is the spring might be damaged and it's inside the bearing, so it could cause bearing issues down the road. So it's always best to put it back when you're done. So get some new grease in there.
You're not going to put that on TV. Anybody's seen you do it like that, don't you?
I know, I didn't want to contaminate my good grease over there.
Better than it was, I guess.
It's packed. Yeah. Your fingers are getting greasy for some
I
reason.
probably put roll paper towels in case you need some. I don't want to use all your rags. I knew I'd get greasy hands
geez,
tonight.
Too late, I already did all this.
Help yourself. Can't
Okay,
get all
so
the
now
grease
the
up.
wheel is where we need it to be. So where's the left and where's the right?
I don't think it matters on this at the moment.
It doesn't matter.
Once you get the tire on, it might make a difference.
Yeah,
But
that's right.
well, where's it? Is a spoke? Is the things in the center on these wheels, right?
Yeah.
So it don't matter.
It doesn't matter. Look at the fitment of that. That's precision. Look at that.
What's that hole for? That's not for the speedo drive, is it?
That's where the speedo drive goes. You forget about the speedo drive?
I don't. I thought I had to go against a flush surface, but I guess not.
You the bolts.
Got him over here already?
About the Allen wrench.
Nope.
Bring that, didn't you?
But there's one over here somewhere though.
The other wrench I was using. Did you leave that in the back?
They're out in the back, aren't they?
Did you leave it back there and back again?
Yep.
Special torque wrench. Get out there.
Yeah.
Special torque wrench. And the red Loctite. Is that red or is that blue? This is
Looks like red container was.
what we want. I've got everything now.
Including one of my spacers back. Here's one of the other ones. You gotta put these in? You're not gonna run these no more.
I'm not using those. What are you filming, by the way?
No, the floor.
That nice, beautiful wheel
Oh,
right
you
there?
got an original rotor, huh?
I don't know. I don't
Wow.
think these are original. I think they're being made over in China land.
I mean, they're Indian. You can tell by that funny teardrop.
They're made for an Indian.
Wow.
Look at the
Fitment.
alignment we have.
That's nice.
That is precision alignment. Now you realize what that does to your balance.
I'm thinking more about a vibration or something when you go to stop. Maybe it'll tighten up when you get the bolts in there. All out?
Loctite never sets up, is what I've been told. The only problem is it It sets up and plugs up the hole all the time. Okay, we're going to use red on here instead of
Blue.
that white stuff they have. That way next time they have to come off. Look how few threads they have on that.
Yeah.
So like 3 or 4 threads at most.
Maybe the long bolts are on the other side of the hub.
It's not even 1 diameter.
It was supposed to be 3 times.
Where's the other wheel at? Is it made shorter?
It's in the back still, I think, isn't it?
Yep, those ones are threaded all the way to the top. These ones are recessed. See how these are recessed?
Right.
So the bolts are 1/4 inch too short.
Not safe.
Not particularly with only 1/4 inch of engagement. So now we need longer bolts.
I would be more worried about the rotor cracking again myself. But
That's an Indian, it's fine. Alright, we'll go look for some hardware. We'll be back. Boy down there. Yeah. Alright, so we got some bolts here. These are 1.25 inches. I had 2 1/2 inches, which is what I need. And then I have 3 3/4 inches, which I don't need, but they might work. Or I have to shorten them. So we're going to find out if I can use these big long ones or not. See how many threads I got in there? A lot of thread. Light went off. Okay, let's see if I can put these big long ones in there, or I'll have to shorten them. Probably have to shorten them. But at least I have them. Yep. Yeah, I've got to shorten them. Chrome didn't like it inside that hub. Okay, so I'm going to make these 3 bolts, 1.25 inches. Or 1.5 inches, excuse me. Be that length. It'll be fine. Put the correct bolt in there, so you got a good 1/2 inch of thread sticking up there. That's what you want. 1/4 inch of thread like that is not enough. It'll hold it, but it's not safe. It might come loose. Not the way to go. So you want more holding power. All right, I'm gonna go shorten these up, and I'll be back. Okay, I got the bolts all shortened up now. So now they're all the same length, 1.5 inches. Got 5 now, they're all the same length. So the way I did it was I took 2 nuts, screwed them on the bolt here, pinching the vise, which will hold the bolt, and then I cut the end off with a chop saw. Then I hit it on my surface grinder, flatten them out, and then I chamfered them. So they have a nice chamfer to them, like that. So that's how you do it. You just keep hitting them on the grinder until they're the right length. Simple. Okay, so now you put this thing together. Okay. I want to get them all started first. Okay, now this is on the front brake, which is on the left side. So I'm just going to grab right here as the wheel's rotating down the road. So the wheel's going this way. Brake's up here holding it. So you pull back on it like this to equalize what's going to happen when you're trying to stop. Trying to retard movement. This way it takes up all the slack that you have in the system. Otherwise it's going to want to move to this point anyway. So I like putting them in that spot to begin with. Okay, now I'm going to tighten these up a little bit. Put a little grunt on it. You see a nice bow in your wrench, like that. You get the right torque. Do a crossfire bolt tightening sequence here. I think I already did that one. Yeah, maybe not. Opened up, keep tightening until they're all tight again. I did that one. Double check this one. Yep. And this one over here. Oh, it feels like it's stripping out. Feels good. Oh yeah, it's working my wrench pretty hard. See, I'm starting to round it off. That needs to be cut off and made new again. Been over abused too much. Okay, so this is all tightened up. Now you can put a tire on this thing. Alright, be back.